So hello everyone, in this video we'll be understanding how we can create blocks in Coderscolab. So for creating a block, you can go inside your My Blocks page and you can click on this create block option. Now you can choose the title of your block. Let's say I'll be writing a title for Introduction to Artificial Intelligence. I can write any description. This is a description, or anything that you want to actually like to add here. You can provide some tags that will help us to categorize your blocks. So I can choose programming, or you can specify your own tags as well, AI or machine learning, which is not available to you. You can also write that in here, machine learning, so you can specify that as well. After that, you can specify any thumbnail image that you want to add. I'll be choosing any image for now. Let's say I have this wallpapers. I had these wallpapers image, so I can write, or I can select any image that I want to add. I can select this image for now, and then I can upload this image. So that image is uploaded. Now in the blog content, there is an editor that you can use to write your blog. Let's say Introduction to AI. I can specify it as heading. After that I can specify any content that I want to write. Let's grab some content from Winword. Or I can choose any content from outside as well. Lorem ipsum. I can grab some text content. That will be enough for me, and I can paste it here. Right, so we have these content. You can write any content that you want to add. That will work. The other thing is, you can try out these editor things, like you can make things bold, you can add underlines or text color that you want to add, right? You can try to add code blocks as well. Let's say print hello world. You can try that, right? You can select it and you can make it a code block as well. So you can choose and add images as well. To add an image, you can the URL. I can grab it from Google for now. Let's say AI images. I think that will work, this one. I can copy image address and I can paste it here. I can click on this save button and I can grab it as well. I can create it. So the blog will be created, I think. So now we can I have already clicked on this create button. I can go into the my blogs page. Now you can see we have this blog. I can also delete this image, or I can delete this whole blog as well by clicking on this delete. I can also edit this blog by going into the edit, and I can update all the details which I added earlier. And to update the image, you can just click on this and select a new image and upload that. Simply you can also update this blog content. Now where all these blogs will be shown, so it will be shown inside this blog page, which is a public page for all the blogs which are available to us. For now we have this blog, we have other blogs as well, so I can click on this blog and I can read about it. So you can see we have this blog and the content is also there, and the images we have added, and about you as well, the developer who wrote this blog basically. Also you can upload any video file as well inside your blog. So let's say if you want to upload any video inside your blog, so you just need to grab that uploaded URL of the video, and you can emp that just like you added the image URL. You can simply emp the URL of your video file as well, uploaded your URL of the image that you have. So this is it for this video. I hope you got something. Thank you for watching.